this is how you can select the image and you can reposition it along x-axis as well as y-axis. The green line that you see on top of the body of the model, it's coming due to the AR effect which is inside this application, making it more powerful. Okay, so we are going to see the magic of the AR effect also very soon. But at present, I'm just showing you how this cloth can be resized, how it can be repositioned, and how you can make it fit on the body of the person standing in front of the camera. Okay, so this is how you can capture the image, and automatically the image goes, in the bottom section, recent captures, from wherein you can open it in the form of a pop-up also. Now comes the next thing, which is this AR effect. So if you click this AR effect, automatically this dress will start following the person wherever he or she will go. The dress will also go in that direction.
Now I'll show you the complete functionality of the application. So now here I will show you the complete functionality of the application again, and I'll also walk you through the code that is there in the backend, which I have used for creating this beautiful application. So you've already seen these magical options here. Fine. Now for uploading the image, we can simply click this button, and we can simply select an image and we can upload it like this. Okay, so the image is here, the one which I selected. Now let me just select this image, and here comes the image. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift its position. So this is how you can shift it. You can reposition it along x-axis and y-axis. You can increase its height a bit also, right? And let me just increase its width. I'm going to now position it like this. Okay, now I am going to try it on. So at present, the AR tracking is off. Let me increase its width. And now I'm going to change its height a little bit. Position it along x-axis again. Okay, and now let me just on the AR tracking. So now it will track my shoulders. So AR tracking for shirt tracks the shoulder, right? For coat we have a different combination of numbers. For dress we have a different parameters. For langa we have a different parameters. All that. Now let me try this option, casual. So automatically it will become casual. This is how you can make it as a formal. Oversized you can do like this. Slim you can do like this. Right. So this is how these options can be used. Then when it comes to recent picture, so we can capture the picture and we can check out the picture here like this. So how all this is happening, that's the next question. So this question can be answered like this. Now these are the libraries which have been used. So it's a Flask application, okay, and these are this is a complete architecture of this application. We have this captures named folder in which we are saving the captured images and we are showing it to the user. This is a folder where we are saving the uploaded files. Okay, this is app.py, the Flask file, and these are all the testing images which I used while creating this application. Now let me come down. We're using body segmentation here. MP is for MediaPipe. So this is the key library that we're using for tracking the hand movement, for tracking different points of the body. These are all the parameters, the configuration that we are setting for all these options that we have in the front end. Okay, this is the one which is initializing the camera. Then we are tracking the body part using this class body tracker here. Okay, then we have this calculate body rotation. So if a person rotates, how the landmarks will be tracked and how the dress should rotate, all that is getting dealt with this function here. This is for applying the effects that we have in the front end. Options for smart positioning, so it is for again AR tracking only, right, that we are using. This is for shadow effect, this is for blur, right? The options which you should see here, brightness, saturation, blur, all these are coming from these functions here. Okay, advanced blending, generate frames. So this is the one which is helping in generating the frames along with the overlay. Okay, and finally we have all these routes with the help of which we are able to change the cloth type, we are able to change the saturation, brightness, right? For all these options here we have these routes. It's a very simple application, right, but it is a very powerful, it is a very powerful application with the help of which a person can actually see how he will look in a particular dress, right? And we have this AR functionality also inside this application, so that is something which makes it really very powerful. I hope you like this application. Please do let me know about your comments, about your feedback in the description section below. Please do let me know about your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you very much for this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day, guys.